But here your input isn't 2, your input's x plus 2. But it's still your input. X plus 2 is still your input, right? What's in parentheses after the F is your input. So all you got to do is plug in x plus 2 in for x into the function. That's all you're doing, okay? And in fact, you don't even have to simplify it to get this question right. You just got to plug it in properly and understand that x plus 2 is your input. And if you get that, you're going to get this question. It's that simple. So let's do it, okay? So we've got f of, and again, our input here is x plus 2. Okay, this means where there was an x in the function, now there's x plus 2. Okay, so I'm just going to plug in x plus 2 where there is an x in the function, right here. Let's do it. So I'm going to use some parentheses here. X plus 2, plugging that in for x squared, right? Because x was squared here in the function. Okay. It's just x squared with x plus 2 as your input. That's all it is. Don't complicate this. And then plus 3, not times x. Our input is x plus 2. So I'm just going to use some parentheses here. X plus 2. Okay. And then plus 1. Okay. The temptation here is to try to sort of simplify this doing some algebraic operation. You could kind of multiply x plus 2 here times x plus 2. You can do all that and maybe distribute that 3, you get 3x plus 6. But don't even worry about that, because look at the answer choices. And you should realize that we've got, right here, we've got answer choice B, which we do. All they're testing on here is whether you will understand the concept that the thing in parentheses is your input. That's all they're testing you on. And if you get that, you don't even have to carry out any sort of operation with the variables. You should just be able to recognize that the correct answer here is, it matches up with answer choice B. Nothing fancy here. And they're testing you on concepts, not on operations. Okay, and if you understand that x is your input, f of x is your output, you're going to get this question. Okay. The next question I'm putting up here.